and today we are commemorating the event at 1918 to remember 100 years since the end of World War I. We are going to be looking at some art through this map, and he holds it up upside down, so professional. Oh, we're going to Jubilee Park.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's the #1 destination. The first one, Lost Armies. A piece remembering the fallen and those who made sacrifice for countries who have fought for the British Armed Forces.
Should we go?
And up there.
You see how some of the bodies have got legs off and arms and
Why?
heads. It's to show that people didn't just die from a bullet. People were blown up by bombs. It was pretty horrendous.
Just stays as this empty kind of messy.
If you look along the side, you can see different battles. This was World War II. This is Guadalcanal, that's an island out in the Pacific Ocean. So I wonder if these are real
Helmets. You know what? Bobby cats will float through the water and sink through.
Okay.
So is the one on the left starting off?
Yes.
And then it's on the...
And it's growing up, so it's different stages.
What do you call it?
Yeah.
All together, in these 7 tubes, there are around 50,000 poppies. That's a lot. And the rusty metal parts at the bottom, they used to be part of
Mortars.
Story of a man.
Nick Baton.
So he stepped on a bomb in Afghanistan and he lost both of his legs. Healing. Darkness.
Renewal.
Focus. The last one is champion. When he won.
Say loud.
Poppies flutter around the soldier, paying tribute to the World War I, British and Commonwealth Armed Forces who fought to build us a better future. So we've come to the end of the walk, and I'm going to list my favourite 3 and why. In third place, we have number 2, which was the helmets representing each battle.
What's your second favourite, Alex?
My second favourite was number 5.
Mother in Arms?
Yeah, but my favourite is this one, which is number 10, which represents all the soldiers fighting in the war, and it's the second to last one, and this one wraps it all up. We've come to the end of the trip, unfortunately. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye.